Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore a bank account in Google Pay, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to restore a bank account in Google Pay. First, open the Google Pay or Google Wallet app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap Settings, then go to Payments Profile. This is where your saved payment methods, including bank accounts, are managed. If your bank account was removed, not showing, or needs to be restored, scroll down to the section where bank accounts are listed. If you see your bank account there but it's inactive, tap on it and follow the prompts to re-verify or restore it. If the bank account is missing completely, tap Add Bank Account and enter your bank details again. Follow the verification steps, which may include confirming small test deposits or verifying through your bank. Once the verification is complete, your bank account will be restored and available for transfers and payments again. If the bank account still doesn't show up after these steps, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and try restarting your phone. And that's it. That's how you restore a bank account in Google Pay. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Google Pay and Android tutorials, and leave a comment below if you need help with another issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.